Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to unbox this ring light that I got off of Amazon, and I got this ring light because I basically want to start filming at nighttime. You know, I don't want just like no lighting to be an excuse for me not to film. So got this. I'm gonna give you all the information down below as to how much it was, where I got it from. It was from Amazon. I think it's like the newer one. I think it's like the 18-inch ring light. So all the information will be down below. I actually thought I was filming, and so I kind of opened the package already, and then I checked my camera, and turns out I wasn't filming. So yeah, I kind of dug into it. I took out this already, so hopefully my camera doesn't play me again. Okay, here we go. So I just took this out, which I'm not sure what's in here, but that is out. And this is supposed to be like the ring light with the stand and everything. Okay, all right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, it is the newer one, okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so it has like this a little packaging, and that's pretty cute. It's actually pretty convenient, just in case I want to like travel with it, which I'm not going to travel with it. This is just for my house, because I have like no lighting in my house at nighttime. So here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you open it up, and this is the actual ring light part of it. Has all this stuff right here, like I guess instructions and all that good stuff, which is very helpful, because I heard that it doesn't actually come with instructions, which was like, why wouldn't it come with instructions, right? So let me see if I can put you guys back up here, and okay, let's see, how is this to work? Yeah, this is the actual light. Aha. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and then it has the covers that go over the light itself. So these are the covers right here, which if you want just the regular cover, this is it. If you want more of like an ambient light or a warmer light, you use this one. Or I can actually show you what it looks like. This one, just kind of like an amber type of look. So, okay. Well, it looks like nothing's broken. That's like the first thing that I look for. And let's go ahead and put the cover on. And then I'm assuming that this part is the stand. Yes, this is the, okay. Okay. So this came in a couple pieces. Not sure why, but I'll find out. So basically this little rod thing came here. And then this right here was supposed to be in this bag, but it kind of like just opened up. So looks like it should be like a mount of some sort for the camera. So we'll figure it out. And then this is the actual stand. Okay. This is it right here. Wait. Oh, gotcha, 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 gotcha. Okay, so this opens up all the way. Okay, just having some technical difficulties. Oh, gotcha. Huh. Okay. So if I really followed the instructions, maybe this would be easier. So, So I basically did this part where like you take out the thing, the stand or whatever, and then you put the legs down, right? So that part is done. And then, okay, so you're moving it up, moving it up. Installation of soft tube. Okay, so this one is the soft tube, apparently. Go ahead and open it up. You know what, I'm gonna read the instructions and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it. I got basically this, what they call like a soft tube or something like that on here, and I just tightened this little bad boy right here. And now I'm going to put the light, the actual ring light, over or onto here. Okay. But basically I just have to like loosen these bad boys right here so that I can adjust it onto there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I just put this on here and I unscrewed this part here and I just placed it onto this, what they call the soft tube, and then I tightened it as tight as I can. This other one is like kind of like a swivel thing, so I'm actually gonna tighten that a little bit so that it doesn't have too much give. Yeah, there we go. And there's also this little piece over here. So I don't know about this piece just yet, but I'll find out and I will show you. Okay, so this part wasn't in the actual instructions, but basically I put this little like corky looking thing over this other piece right here. And then this bottom piece goes into here, kind of like a fictitious hot shoot, if you will. And then you tighten it, right? And then you tighten the top part. Like so, right? And then I'm going to, well, this kind of swivels like that, right? But I'm gonna tighten it up so that it doesn't swivel. And then you can put your camera on here. You see how most cameras really have like this under here. And then you put it on here. You can either swivel it or you can take this thing off and put it on there and then put the whole thing on there, which that's actually what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna turn this light on and show you what it looks like. It's kind of hard to vlog this without putting my camera somewhere where it's actually gonna show everything. So, sorry about that. Be back. Okay, so I put the camera on the little stand thing. This right here, it basically shows, acts as a little swivel thing, but I tightened it up right here so that it doesn't really move, right? Then, on the back of this thing, if I can actually focus it on there. So this is the dimmer right here. Can you see that? Oh, and I just turned it on. So, this is what it looks like, right? And let's try to dim it. Oh wow, it gets bright. Very bright. That's the brightest it gets. And then this is the dimmest that it is. So, I'm very happy overall with my light so far. I'm gonna put the filter on it, the white filter. And I'm gonna stop sweating at one point. Oh, also, this actually didn't take hardly any effort. I'm the type of person that I always ask for help when setting stuff up because I'm just, I get really confused and then I read the instructions sometimes. Sometimes I really don't, most of the time. And I just want to kind of figure it out on my own, and this I could figure out on my own. So it was super simple. Just to recap, I got the stand in this other box over here, and then this, what they call like a soft tube right here, I connected it right here to this stand, and then I tightened it really well. And then this right here is part of the actual whole light. So I basically loosened this one and then put it on here and then tightened it up. Tighten this bad boy up too because you don't want it moving, you know, back and forth because it can, you know, adjust. And then this little piece right here came separately, but all you do is you put it in kind of like a hot shoot. So if you can see that, it's kind of like a hot shoot for the actual light itself. So put that there, tighten it. And then this right here acts as a swivel so that you can adjust your camera. And this other piece down here connects to your camera. And super simple, you basically turn it on right here with the little button and it turns on and it gets super bright by turning the knob all the way to your right, and then it kind of dims out if you turn it to the left. And this is what it looks like. And I'm super happy that this basically didn't take like any effort at all. So I'm very happy. I'm hoping that my videos are brighter and I'm actually gonna start using it. So I'm super excited. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick little unboxing. Had to turn the camera off a couple times because it was heating up on me. It was overheating and, you know, acting like a little punk. So yeah, hopefully I can use my Nikon, which doesn't overheat on me, and this works out better. So I'm super excited, yay! Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, comment down below, you know, have you used this before? Has it given you any issues? Are you loving it? You know, all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks again, bye.